These are the solutions for the third practice quiz in Algebra 2C for quiz 4. So again, you got to locate the function and then substitute in 6 for x. So here's the f function. And then it's greater than 6 is greater than 5. So we're going to put 6 in here. This is going to be 30. 6 times 5. F of 5, so that's less than or equal to 5, and then we can't put 5 in here because there's no x, so we just take the 3. G of 1, so 1 is less than or equal to 1, so we're going to substitute the 1 in the top. G of 3, okay, so 3 is greater than 1, so 5 minus 2 times 3, 5 minus 6, negative 1. H of 4. So 4 is greater than 2, so 2 to the 4th power is 16. Again, we had one that was similar to that before. So here I just put a statement on the bottom. 5 times h of 2. So h of 2 would be 2 squared plus 2. So that's 4 plus 2, which is 6. So 5 times 6 minus f of 3. So f of 3, you pick the top one. 3 is less than or equal to 5. Substitute 3 in for x. You can't do it, so it's just a 3. So that's 30 minus 3, which is 27. Okay, so 27 again. So second page here. You want to figure out the cut points at each of these. So you're going to go, I'll write the full coordinate down here, 2, and 2 is going to go in here. So negative 1 squared, which is 1, and then we got to do negative 1 again, plus 4, that's 3, and this will be closed. Now you might be able to stop and just say, hey, there's the point 2, 3 closed. The game is over. And to keep the video short, again, you'd have to go through and figure all these other points out, open or close based on the sign here. Don't need to do that because it's one or the other, and once you get it figured out, you're good. Okay, so as you saw on the top there, we need to go figure out the cut points again. 1 and 3 minus 2 is 1, and this will be open. And then 1 plus 2 is 3. This will be closed. So these will be our start points. This will be 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, and this will be closed. Circle, and then this will be 2, 0, open. All right, so 1, 1, open, and then we're going to have to go to the left because it's less than 1, and then the slope is negative 2. So that's like down 2 and right 1. We got to go to the left though. So if we go up 2, left 1, up 2, left 1, that'll be a better way. Let's stick to the left with that graph. So you'll have to adjust your slope procedure based on whether you got to go right or left. So 1, 3 closed, and then we have a slope of 1 to the right. Okay, 2, 1 closed, and then we got to go left of 2 with a slope of negative 1. So up 1, left 1. So here's this line. And then 2, 0, open, and we need to go right of 2 with a slope of 1. So up 1, right 1 each time. So you just need to make sure you go in the correct direction. One will point one way, one will point the other. You just have to think, you know, less than is left. So these top ones are all left, and the bottom ones are all to the right. Now, it's not always that way. It depends on the sign, but less than or equal to is left. Let's just write that down, and the graph will go to the left. Greater than or equal to, or greater than will mean to the right. Less than or. Okay, so that you have to get down in your mind. Okay, and then here, so our cut point is at 2. So we're less than or equal to 2 and greater than or equal to 2. And then you just have to extend this to get the y-intercept. So left of 2, we're here, right of 2. So the left will go with the less than or equal to. It looks like we have +4, and then our slope is -2x plus 4. And then here our y-intercept is -3. Wait a minute, I think our y-intercept, I messed that up. If you take a straight edge, sorry about that, -4 should be the y-intercept. And the slope of this line is up 2/1, so 2x minus 4. So make sure you get that y-intercept right. Take a nice little straight edge and extend it and get it right. Okay, so those are the solutions for the third practice quiz for quiz 4 in the third trimester of Algebra 2.